Kaakibat. We're back at food vlog right now after so many events na nangyari nung last first week of May. After cosplay event, then election season, plus nakapag-unbox na ako ng bago kong gaming chair. And right now, we're going to celebrate life kasi nga, Sabado ngayon, it's May 28, I guess. Tingnan mo? Yeah, it's May 28, 2022. And right now, we are here at Vincent Street dito sa Obrero, Davao City. Pinapawisan ako. At the same time, maulan din sa labas. But that's okay. And right now, one of my friends sa I Am Worldwide, he's one of the owners in this place kasi dalawa yung branches nila dito. And they are calling Kapeweñoz Davao. This is one of the most popular local coffee shop dito sa Davao City. Right now, here in Vincent Street, they're not serving only coffee or different kinds of coffee menus here. They have a lot of food to choose from, including this. Look at that! Super delicious looking food. So, this is what they call Nasi Lemak. Yan. This is the first time ever that we try here in our vlog. We're going to have a mukbang in this Malaysian National Dish. Grabe talaga mga kaakibat. But before that, to complete this mukbang experience, we'll go ahead and order some coffee. Since today right now is afternoon, so right now we're going to order some iced coffee. So tara guys. Alright mga kaakibat, we'll go ahead and order one of the most popular menus for their coffee. And right now, I'm going to order iced coffee. And here's the order that I got. We're going to try the V60 coffee, which is originated from Mount Apo and Bukidnon, which is worth 120 pesos. But that's gonna be 14 ounce of coffee, iced. And let's try, because they told me that they have a natural sweetness of this V60. So tara!
Montage.
Okay, the Arabica coffee right here. Oh. May pagka ano siya, may pagka berry slash chocolatey siya na taste. Smell rather. Wow. You wanna smell? Take a smell. Pouring water over ice. That's how the process works. Alright, there we go. Yay! That's how it works. So after the process, this is it. This is our meal for today. So ipakita ko sa inyo. This is again the Nasi Lemak, Malaysia's national dish. Look at that. Look at the chicken. So big, so beautiful cooking. Meron pa silang fried dilis, peanuts, and they have the sambal sauce. Plus whole egg and cucumbers. And I can't wait to try this rice because meron siyang gata or something. Nakita ko siya sa YouTube. It's really good. And the Kalita method of our Arabica coffee. So it really looks delicious. Courtesy of Kapeweñoz specialty coffee. Alright mga kaakibat, let's dig in! Alright mga kaakibat, let's dig in. Let's try to sip this coffee from Kapeweñoz, okay? Wow! Unlike yung na-taste ko sa Americano ng Comica, which is Melvin allow me to try the coffee. This coffee really good. Meron siyang natural sweetness ng para siyang chocolatey taste ng coffee, gano'n. Tama naman yung pagka-bitterness nito. Super amazing, super good. I love it. Alright, so we're not going to use utensils like spoon and fork. It's because the way Malaysians eat Nasi Lemak, they're going to use their bare hands. Minsan kasi they're trying to wrap this up para siyang pambangon, di ba? Just like packed lunch, ganun. So for now, for the respect of our Malaysian friends, our Malaysian Kaakibat, you're always welcome here. Let's dig in. Whoa. There are a lot of curry leaves, there are a lot of breaded something, garlic. Look, this is the big chicken that they have, the thigh and the drumsticks overall. Perfectly cooked, super soft. One bite at a time. Wow! Let's try this rice. I never expect this chicken so good. The way they cook Nasi Lemak, or the way they cook the chicken for Nasi Lemak, I guess they're including the curry leaves like this, and then the way they cook to perfection, ganon. It's kind of like really unique, and I never expected this really so good. Para siyang curry, para siyang chicken curry. Amazing. Let's try to put chicken, the rice, and the sambal. Let's try the sambal. Sorry, kinamay ko. Alright. And let's grab some handful of rice and the chicken. Pagpapresento pa mga kaakibat. It's all yours. I really want to order this sambal. Gusto ko yung parang garapon siya, yung parang nasa container ba. Katulad yung mga chili garlic ganun. I love the spiciness of it. It's really perfect for me. Right now, it's in my throat right now. Let's try to put another one. Bulinaw. Bulinaw. Bisaya, bulinaw. We can say anchovies in the Philippines. Yeah. Plus, we're going to eat the peanuts right there. It's just like party in my mouth, ganun. And for this food, ito pa lang, busog ka na. For just 220 pesos, you can enjoy all these goodies. Malaysian goodies. Grabe. Actually, that's why they call national dish in Malaysia. Kasi fill in na to eh. Hindi ka na magdagdag na extra rice. Gusto mo magdagdag na extra rice. I don't know what to say. Super delicious. The second half of the chicken, guys. Let's enjoy this. Let's put sambal in the rice. Anchovies. One more. Right now, let's pair this coffee drink right there. Tastes good. One more. Amazing. We Filipinos already get used to put some sugar and some coffee creamer. But in this type of coffee that it's scientifically processed or it's scientifically made, I guess this alone, we need to appreciate the natural taste of Arabica coffee. And guess what? They made a great job. Actually, in different coffee shops that I've been to, it's the first time I have this coffee for sure. It's really amazing. And of course, basta. I'm really speechless of commenting this type of food is because it's really, really delicious. Chicken, rice, and sambal. Next time we're going to try their iced coffee. Pagbalik natin dito. Okay? Last few bites mga kaakibat. Okay. One full bite mga kaakibat. One last full bite. Okay? Spiciness overload, but it's not for me. Tama yung spiciness para sa akin. Oh, strong and sweet. And we're done! We finished the goodness of Malaysia. Grabe. Alright mga kaakibat, we are here with Ma'am Jingkai from Kapeweñoz. She's the one who created the coffee. It's really delicious. How are you po, Ma'am?
I'm fine, yeah. It's not like, hindi siya masyadong busy dito na shop.
So Ma'am, ano yung mga best seller niyo dito, Ma'am?
Best sellers for iced coffee, we have Delicious Caramel and Citrusy. Delicious brewed coffee with sweetened milk. Parang siyang Spanish latte. Actually, all milk-based na drinks namin is gawa sa non-dairy powdered milk. And also, Citrusy is brewed coffee with concentrated lemon.
Wow.
So, para siya, yung lasa niya may sweetness, sourness, and bitterness.
Yes.
But, mapipil mo lang yung sweetness niya pag marami ka ng nainom.
Oh. How about sa mga customers natin, Ma'am? Saan po, ano yung location dito, Ma'am?
Actually, honestly, hindi ako rin masyado familiar dito na place. But it's sa Obrero lang din siya. Kung familiar kayo sa Stella Marie's na school, likod niyan, merong Shards Place.
Again guys, Kapeweñoz is super recommendable here for all Kapeweñoz and overall hopefully for Filipinos all around the Philippines and the world, if you want to visit Davao City and try the coffee, punta kayo dito sa Kapeweñoz. And try the Sambal as well, their Nasi Lemak. It's really amazing. Hindi kayo magsisisi.
House of Sambal is Malaysian. Puro Malaysian food siya. Meron siyang rendang, Nasi Lemak, and satay.
And I would like to recommend them 100 over 10 stars. Grabe. Yes.
And wait sir, we can also customize drinks po based sa inyong taste preference.
That's true.
And
That's true.
pwede rin kami mag-experiment kung ano yung trip nyo sa drinks nyo.
That's true. That's true. Alright, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much guys for watching.
Okay. Thank you. Alright, mga kaakibat, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for our channel. Also, please like their Facebook page as well for Kapeweñoz and some House of Sambal. Okay? Alright, mga kaakibat, this is our day today. See you again next time. Bye-bye.